You know I can't see. It's okay. I can see.
You know I can't see. It's okay. I can see. I bet you can see or you can't.
No, Taylor. I usually go fast. It only takes me like 30 minutes to get in.
But you need to beat down your face. Like,
I do beat down. I don't beat down.
I'm saying like.
Makeup.
Alright. Let's talk about it. Let's get into it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ew. Hey guys, it's me Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. Today, me and my little sister filmed a get ready with us. We talked a little bit about different things. This is my look. Ew. That's her look. Ew. So if you want to see how we got it, make sure you continue to watch, like, comment, and subscribe. Cause you might as well do it. You already here, so why not? This is what I have to do when Shores be laughing at me, but I'm for real. I'm for real. Bye, y'all. Alright, we're gonna talk about our favorite movie right now. What is it?
What? To all the boys I've loved before.
Y'all need to watch that movie. We're gonna give you a rundown. We're not gonna. Are we gonna spill tea?
No, we're not gonna give you a rundown. We're gonna say how we feel about it.
No, we're gonna give a rundown like a background, so we're not gonna spill no tea. Like sipping it. All right, so let's put on a brow first. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. I did dye my hair, so I probably should go a little lighter, but who's gonna check me? Not you.
I'm using the brow list. This thing is kind of real short, like.
Okay, so let's get into it. Let's get into it. All right, so it starts out with a girl named
Laura Jean.
Laura Jean, honey.
Look at it,
Laura Jean is,
She can pop it up.
I don't know what type of Asian she is. I want to say, is she Korean?
Yeah, she looks Korean in the movie. I don't know about real life.
No, I'm saying like, I think she's based as a she's Asian and white in the movie, but I don't know if she's Korean and white, which to me is super cool because I rarely see, like, other than like that movie that just came out,
Crazy Rich Asians. Apparently it's really good.
yeah, I want to go see that too. But other than
Crazy Rich Asians.
that movie, I haven't seen like a main character who is of Asian descent like be a main lead in romantic comedy. So I think that's really cool, girl.
Netflix. Better get it, get lost in it.
And if you didn't know, that movie it was first actually a book. But yeah, so main character is Laura Jean, and basically she wrote five letters to boys that she's ever loved or liked or whatever, which is Peter, Lucas, Josh,
and then a boy she met in UN, and then a boy she met somewhere else. I don't know, like, their names aren't specific in the movie.
I think they are. They're just not super main characters.
Yeah.
So I don't remember their names. But so she liked all those boys, and one day the letters got out, and Laura Jean knew what she was doing when she put the name on them. She put the address, which is actually funny. The fact that they've lived there that long. That's like some what am I looking for? That's like some hometown love right there. Cause people move all the time, so I'm like,
they live there forever.
yeah. And I love the movie so much. So the letters get out to all the people that she liked or loved or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And basically throughout the movie, we just see what happened. But I need y'all to understand.
Yeah, his real name, the actor who plays Peter, his name is Noah
Cincinnati? I don't know.
He's in The Fosters, and he's in another Netflix original.
I don't know if it's out yet though.
No, it's not out yet, but he's in another one.
My camera's gonna try to play me, but little does she know I can't be played. Actually, maybe okay. So I'm trying to give you guys like a review of the movie, but I don't want to like. I want you to watch the movie. So basically, one of the boys is her sister's boyfriend, but that was her best friend. And
before they started dating.
Yeah, before her sister and the boy started dating, that was her best friend. And then, but she liked him first. And then another boy is dating her arch enemy, of course. What's her name?
Jen.
Jen. Okay, obviously you need to show love and everything. But Jen ain't even cute enough to be hating like that.
Like she doesn't look like your typical mean girl. Like
right, she looked like the girl that's supposed to be getting bullied. I'm like, Jen,
like in Mean Girls with like Rachel McAdams and Lindsay Lohan.
Like that's your
she
typical
looks like a
mean girl looking type of girl. Yeah. Jen don't look mean. I'm like, Jen, you low key look like you like science girl.
They look. Jean looks like
Jean look like
Sarah's
the bully.
best friend.
Jean look like the bully to more of a bully. Laura Jean look more like the bully than
yeah.
Jen.
Her name is Jen, not Jean.
I'm just about Laura Jean. I said yes, Laura Jean.
Oh my god.
So yes, so her best friend, her ex-best friend, because you know, like the Lizzie McGuire type, they were best friends when they were younger. Something happened. Now they arch enemies. She popular, she not. The typical lifestyle. And so yeah, so one of the boys is her ex-best friend's now arch enemy's boyfriend.
Yeah.
And then basically the ex-best friend and the boyfriend break up. The boyfriend wants to make the ex jealous, so they pretend to be in a relationship, and basically the movie's about their fake relationship.
Oh, it's just so.
But
I'm about to go watch it right now. Like after this.
All right, let me tell y'all something. When I first saw it, I fell in love. Okay, I watched it one day, right? Y'all, I went and rewatched it the very next day, and I'm gonna watch it again tomorrow. I ain't gonna watch it tonight because I'm gonna watch something else.
I watched it this past week. Like maybe I don't know what day I watched it, but I watched it this past week. I stayed up till like 3 o'clock in the morning because I just couldn't fall asleep. But then the next day I watched it again because like literally
when she woke up,
like what I this is bad sleep schedule. I went to bed at 3 in the morning, woke up at like 12, watched the movie. I love it so much because it's like one thing about the difference between this Netflix original and The Kissing Booth, which is another Netflix original, is The Kissing Booth is kind of like, I guess you could say, what is it, like you know what's gonna happen.
Predictable.
Exactly, it's very predictable. With this one, it's
I haven't watched that one.
So relatable. You need to watch it. It's so relatable. Like the little scenes in it, like it makes you feel comfortable because it's like that stuff has happened before.
I love it so much. Oh my god, I love it. 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 Right when I finished watching it, I went and stopped all the people in the cast. And one of these sisters is Mona from Pretty Little Liars. And so when I first saw, I said, Mona, what you doing here?
Oh yeah, the older one.
Yeah, the older sister. But oh my gosh, and she has a little sister named Kitty. The dad, the mother passed away. So it's kind of like interesting how
the family dynamic is.
Yeah, because it's like a white guy raising his 3 minority daughters. And it's just so good. Please, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 11 out of 10. So good. Wow.
Ew.
Okay, so love that movie. Next thing that you guys need to watch.
The Office. You know, I'm just kidding.
The Office.
Everyone.
Tori. Put me on.
Let them know.
She has been trying to get me to watch The Office for like
the longest time.
Honestly, probably like a year.
Yeah. No, it's corny. No, it's corny. I'm like,
because literally I watched one episode. I'm like, bro, what is she watching? Cause I'm not like, I mean, I'm goofy, but I'm not corny. And The Office is so corny. But it's
like a good corny. It's not like a corny.
It's so like, funny. The best character, hands down, is Dwight. And I laugh because it's just so hilarious to think about all the crazy things he does.
I love him so. Like I just love his dedication, like to his character. Like I don't know how his real name is Rainn Wilson, I think.
Who cares?
Well, you gotta know, honey. Shoot.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe you see him in the I don't know. I was gonna say the hallway. But his real name is Rainn Wilson, and I just love how the fact that he like got in touch with his character so well. Like I feel like no
and
one
the
else
best
could.
part hold on, the best part is watching the bloopers and then seeing how they have to like get back into these crazy characters, especially Kevin.
Oh my god.
Because Kevin in the show is like kind of stupid. Actually, not kind of. He's stupid. And like when he's trying to talk like that and act like that, it's just so funny to see him mess up and then like go back into like being stupid.
That's why I give actors so much credit, because it's like it's not easy to be like all goofy and then all serious 1 minute. I don't know how they do it. They be doing it.
Oh, by the way, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Vault in Ring the Alarm, and Tori is using the
Jaclyn Hill palette.
Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette.
That's
yeah, but this is called the Vault. That's just Jaclyn Hill. We're filming another video on my little sister's channel. It's a mukbang. The food is pulling up right now.
Okay.
So if you see the same eye, don't be surprised. And if you see the same top, don't stop. Oh, okay. Hit that like, subscribe.
You are so dumb.
Okay, Tori's now obsessed with some group name Pretty Much, and
I'm not obsessed. Nothing obsessed.
okay, why are you using my stuff? Why are you using my stuff?
Because you said I could.
No, you said you was using your Mac Fix Plus. I told you to use that one. That's
Oh, I forgot I brought it. I forgot I brought it. Dang.
Every time we try to film over here,
Because
Tori
I have
trying to use all my products. Okay?
Because I have to bring my products over here and then I have to unpack them. Because you have it over there. So why can't I just use yours? Okay, bye.
I will mark your face. And I will give you fake
Oh, you got. Oh, girl.
That don't look good, so don't get cute about it.
Okay, on some people it does.
I said the ones I'm gonna put on your face won't look cute.
Oh.
Tori, you supposed to be using black.
I don't want to use black.
What the hell?
I don't want to use what you want me to use.
I want you. This is the thing. I'm the big sister. She's the little sister. She has to do what I say because it's in the rule book, baby. I'm the boss. She's the subordinate.
Not. Oh, hey! Not everything you say, girl.
The subordinate. What is that? I did this. Don't be trying to shut me.
You are the subordinate in the office, girl. So wait, don't act like I don't know.
She's the subordinate. I am her superior.
Remember that episode where Phyllis got flashed? And Dwight said, he said phallus. He said, Phyllis, I got penis on the brain. I love The Office. Who loves it? I do.
You and Paige, man.
Paige, we should have a watch party. We already seen on the episode. Oh my god.
Alright, which color I should use? Which color I should use?
I know.
Which color should I use?
When you try your best but you don't succeed. When you get what you want but not what you need. When you feel so
I did not mean to do that.
Look what she did to my shit. Look at my shit.
Oh my god.
Look at my roof. Look at my roof.
I did not mean to do that, dude. Oh wow. You want some? I got you. I really didn't mean to do that.
I will kill her.
I might put it on my eyes.
You better use it.
It's a nice color. Oh my. Oh wow.
I just wanted somebody advice. She just.
That was an accident.
think the last time we filmed, I did a red look too.
You did. Cause you're messy as fuck.
Oh yeah, Miss Gold Lid. Give me there. Oh, I got a wig on, but I don't.
I can never take you seriously.
Okay, well that's it for this video. So we did a little review of the movie, gave you our favorite show currently and forever, The Office. We were just talking, getting ready.
Yes.
And now we're gonna film another video on her channel, so if you wanna see some college tips and advice, because she's now in college. She's a freshman in college and I have graduated already, so I'm gonna give her a little tea, So if you need a little tea, girl, a little green tea, because you need that caffeine,
I can never.
then go ahead and check her out. Okay, like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see her more on my channel. Don't expect it, because she ain't coming back, because she rude as hell.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. We'll see y'all in the next one.
Hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, I be where the bosses be. Judging from my vibe, you can feel it in my energy.